won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of your time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into.
Now this one's important because if we see, this is the starter motor, air strap. This is the one that everybody talks about cleaning up and making sure it's in good conditions. One underneath, there's the ratchet drivers, and we know we're on for a 13, which is a 13mm up here. And can we?
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make it sweat on me. I wanna make it sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? Though there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break
Off. That's off. Yay! Yay! Yay. Now, can we see any problem with that? I personally don't see any problem with that at all. It looks amazing. And here's the damage. And yeah.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
So I think we might have to show it here until we get. So I need this bracket. This bracket has been buckled. It's the bracket that goes onto the power steering fluid and pump and reservoir. And there we have it. Crash leg off, new crash leg on. We've now got to fix the bracket that's down here, and that's us all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.